Look, I'm training with John Danaher,
Mm-hmm.
and they train like that too. They train 3 times a day.
Mm-hmm.
And it actually feels right this way. I mean, of course, this is how you have to train.
Because of that, John has one of the best
Yeah, he makes champions.
students in the world. And after all, they don't just take some random place. I mean, they're not somewhere in the middle. They're at the top. And look at their whole approach. Some people, look, a person with that kind of approach just can't be somewhere in the middle. It's impossible.
Mm-hmm.
If you have a fanatical attitude, the right attitude toward the training process, on top of that, you have to be fanatical about it. You love what you do. And in the end, there will be results. Well, just look at John and look where his guys are. He creates champions. He finds a champion in everyone, across every category, right?
He creates champions, not just 1 or 2, but all of them. He finds a champion in everyone, across every category.
Look, the people who come to him, he has a system, let's say, right? Under this roof, under his roof, there is a system. People come here and they become champions in this system. So there are people there who are champions. These are specific, established names. And there are other people who came and left. They entered that black room, so to say, an uncomfortable place. They went in, stood for a year and a half or 2, and left. Nobody talks about them. These are the people who came in, broke mentally, and left. And there aren't just a few of them. There are a lot. Usually, most people give up. There are many who give up. But then there are the ones who come in and stay there for a long time. Long, long time. And after some time, they achieve success. They become the best. They prove to themselves that once they enter the system, they could stay there for a long time, endure, and become the best. They prove that they are already capable of many things. They can be trusted to supervise big, important projects. I would even say, for example, 2000 years ago, they could easily rule entire cities. So a person who has gone through it physically, who has lived through it, who has faced challenges, passed the tests, they are capable of a lot, highly capable. You don't just walk into martial arts and become the best. It's very difficult. It means that you go through pain, you make sacrifices, you give your time, you face setbacks and failures in training. The mental strength and capacity mean a lot there. And when I talk about his system, look, I mean those schools that became the best, let's say, in football or in freestyle wrestling or let's say in MMA, in grappling or in judo, it's really hard to enter one of the best schools in the world, to stay when they are breaking you, throwing you, choking you, to improve as a person and as an athlete and to become a champion. It takes at least 12 years, 10 to 12 years, maybe 15. For some, it took longer. And to get through the grind for these 15 years and then to break through and become the best is worth a lot.